Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 22, OV 78. सर्प एक त्या काळवेळे कैसा कोठूनी आला न कळे बैसला करुनिया बेटोळे चुकवूनी डोळे सकळाचे. At that evil time, a snake came, no one knew from where, coiled itself, and settled down without anybody's knowledge. मिरीकराचे कंबरेवर होता उपरण्याचा पदर, तया मृदुल आसनावर शांत निर्घोर बैसला. It sat quietly and peacefully on one end of Mirikar's soft uparna, which was lying on his waist. प्रवेश करिता ओजे ओजे सुरसुर सुरसुर कागद वाजे परी न कोणा तया आवाजे घेणे साजे सर्पशंका. When it had quietly entered, the sound it must have made was absorbed by the rustling noise of the newspaper. Therefore, nobody had any suspicions of the serpent. इतुका भयंकर जरी प्रसंग मिरीकर खबर पत्रात दंग परी पट्टेवाल्याचे अंतरंग कल्पना तरंगी वाहविले. Although the situation was so tense, Mirikar was oblivious to this, being engrossed in the news, but his pion's imagination ran wild. येतो कोठूनी तो आवाज असावा कशाचा काय काज म्हणूनी उचलिता बत्ती जूज लंबू महाराज देखिले. From where is the noise coming? What kind of noise is this? And what is the cause? The peon, thinking thus, he lifted the lamp a little, and lo, he saw the long Maharaj, snake. देखताच तो घाबरला, सापरे साप हळूच ओरडला, मिरीकराचा धीरची सुटला, कंप सुटला सकळांगा. As soon as he saw it, he was frightened, and he called out softly, "Snake, a snake!" Then Mirikar lost his composure, and he shivered all over. शामरावही चकित झाले, म्हणती बाबा हे काय केले, नसते विघ्न कोठूनी धाडिले, आता नरसिले पाहिजे. Shamrao was also amazed. He said to himself, Baba, what have you done? From where have you sent this difficulty? Now you must remove it yourself. मग पाहुनी ते अवस्था जयाचे जे जे लागले हाता ते घेऊनी धावले तत्वता बाजू न देता पदाते. Then, under the circumstances, everybody armed himself with whatever was handy and moved forward stealthily. तो सर्प कंबरे खालता देखिला हळूहळू सरकता सर्प कैचा ती मूर्त अनर्थता उतरता हे वाटली. By that time, the serpent, which was resting below the waist, was seen quietly moving away. Oh, but not a serpent. It looked like death personified was approaching. पाहता पाहता ते ग्रहण सुटले, बडगे आधीच होते उचलले, धडाधड ते सर्पावर पडले, जाहले तुकडे तयाचे. Then, in no time the calamity was arrested, and the clubs and other weapons, which were already ready to strike, fell forcefully on the serpent, and it was done to pieces. येणे परी अरिष्ट टळले, पाहुनी मिरीकर अति गहिवरले, साई समर्थाची आवरले, प्रेम तरतरले अतितर. In this way, the danger passed. Having witnessed this, Mirikar choked with emotion, and his love for Sai Samarth was strengthened all the more and overflowed